In this short tutorial, I will show you how to create Google account on iPhone. So it's simple. For get start, go to Gmail app, and now you see at the corner of screen an option that's called profile. Click that, and you see an option add another account. Click this. Now you want to create Google account, so click Google, and Gmail want to use google.com to sign in, so you want to create Google account, so click continue, and now sign your information. For example, I want to create new account, create account, and there is for my personal use or for work or for my business. It's your wish that you want to use it. For example, I want to use my for my personal use, and now write the name it Zia, and write last name Barai, and click next, and there want to use your birthday. So for example, I want to sign 2006, and the day was 5 monthly, for example February. General, I'm a male, so click next. Select the first one, ziabarainanivi@gmail.com. Click select it. So now after nexted, then it want to sign your password. For example, I want to sign password. Now I sign my password, so next. Then if you want to add your phone number, so just click phone number. So if you don't want to add your phone number, just click skip. So now I have a Gmail account, so I don't need to create a new account, so just I want to skip it. Skip, click skip. Okay, that you see a new account created. So now if you have any question, write in comments, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching, so have a good day.